we are still counting them. You can count. Wow, the go slow started happening right now in the back of us. You see, from now the crowd is going to be. You see, the go slow is still counting, coming. So I think that is the end of this motorbike now, and we cannot have any motor in behind of this motorbike. So that is the end. And that is the go slow from this side now. Oh my goodness.
If you guys keep on pushing me, I will say everything. And don't push me. If you push me, I'm going to say everything. Are you ready to listen? What is going to happen every year, 1st of May, here in Iceland? Please don't push me. Don't push me to say what is in your mind. Please, if you push me anymore, I will say my mind. I don't care what we are going to feel, either you hate me or you love me. I'm going to say it right now. I'm going to say it. Why are you behaving this way? What I'm going to say is going to shock you. And I don't care how you feel it. You can take it, you hate me or you love me. I'm going to say to you, please, on the 1st of May every year, here in Iceland, what is happening on the roadside is something unbelievable. I don't know how you are going to feel. And this had happened. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Why? Why is it this thing happen? One more time. I'm watching you. Are you ready to me to tell you what is going to happen on the roadside? I'm going down. Oh my God. Give me patience. Give me patience. Give me patience. What I'm going to say is that please share, like, subscribe. Every 1st of May here in Iceland is Motor Riders Day. And it's just happened in front of us. And I can't enjoy it alone. I want you to enjoy me, to like this video and share this video and subscribe on this channel for more travel issue advice about each other. Please don't forget, share, like, subscribe, turn on notification for more to come. Let's go down on the roadside and see what is really happening on the 1st of May, which is Motor Riders Day here in Iceland. Let's go and see it.
Imagine this small country and how many motorbikes we have already count now. So, so this is how every year, every 1st of May, and this is what you're supposed to hear from Iceland. Wow. Even the motorbike have population than the people living on the country. That is 1st of May, Motor Riders Day here in Iceland. Uncountable, we are still counting them. You can't count. the go slow started happening right now in the back of us. You see, from now the crowd is going to be, you see, the go slow is still counting, coming. So I think that is the end of this motorbike now, and we cannot have any motor in behind of this motorbike. So that is the end, and that is the go slow from this side now. Oh my goodness. And there are still some motors coming here. So wow. My goodness. That is how they enjoy the first May of 2024 here in Iceland. Welcome guys to Iceland. Oh my